In this video, you will learn how to fix cashapp invalid zip code error. First, if cashapp invalid zip code error appears, typically when there is a mismatch or error with your address or zip code that you have entered. Here are the steps to resolve this issue. First, double check the zip code that you have inputted into cashapp. Make sure it matches the one you are associating with your billing address for your debit and credit card. If you are unsure, you can check your billing statement or the address associated with your bank account to verify your correct zip code. Update your address. If you have recently moved or changed your address, the zip code on the file might be outdated. Update the address on your bank's website to reflect the new information. Afterwards, try entering the new zip code again in cashapp. Then, check the card details. Verify the correctness of the card details, e.g. the number, expiration date and zip code. Make sure there are no typos or errors in the information you have entered. Then, use the correct billing address. The billing address you have inputted on cashapp must exactly match the one with your card issue holder. This includes the street address, city, state and zip code. If you are using a different address, the transaction may be rejected. Use a different payment method. If you keep encountering the error, try a different credit or credit card, or a different payment method such as PayPal. You can also try using a different bank account if this problem persists with this one card. Clear cache. If you're on Android devices, clearing your cache can help resolve some issues with cashapp. First, go to the device settings, tap on apps or applications, find and select cashapp, then select storage and clear cache. After that, ensure cashapp is updated. Check that you have the latest version of cashapp installed. An out-of-date version may cause many errors with payment processing. Then, try restarting your app or device. Sometimes the error may occur within your device by temporary issues or glitches. Close the app immediately and restart it. If that doesn't work, restart your device. If the error persists, try all the above methods and reach out to cashapp support for help.